Hi guys, welcome to Medical Coding. Let's discuss about Mohs micrographic surgery. Let's discuss about 17311, 17312, 17315. What's the difference in that codes? Let's explain. See guys, if they are asking Mohs micrographic technique, example head, neck, hands, feet, genitalia or any location with surgery directly involving with muscles, cartilage, bones, tendons, major nervous systems. If in question stage 1 6 tissue blocks, stage 2 4 tissue blocks, then code 17311, 17312, 17315. If question 2, if he is asking stage 1 6 tissue blocks, then we want to code 17311, 17315. Note 17311, 17312, it's wrong option because 17312 is additional stage, but in stage he is asking only one stage only. So 17311, 17312, it's wrong. If question stage 1 4 tissue blocks, stage 2 4 tissue blocks, then answer is 17311, 17312. Thank you.